Go on, you gotta send me up. I wanna have a go on this as well. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be checking out this abandoned care home with Urbex West 22.
Yeah, what's up guys?
And I'm currently, it's like the shittest day possible. We're walking down, the only reason I'm doing the intro here is because it's undercover. We've got like a 15-minute walk possibly, and hopefully this one's decent. It's meant to have sensors around, security alarms, feds, so hopefully it all goes to plan. We're just pulling up to it now, kind of see it in the distance. It looks massive. And then we reckon it's been abandoned since like 23, 24 maybe. But there's armadillos all around this one. It's hard to see from. Oh, don't even stop.
You literally slept in that couch.
Yeah, I know, it's like proper holy. An old shed or something there.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, go on, you lead the way, I ain't got a clue where I'm going.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to stand did come back here like about 3-4 months ago, couldn't get in.
Mate,
But I'm back with,
how are we getting through this?
and we're going to go through the up through there. Alright, see you guys when we're up there. Well, that's new, bro.
Hmm,
And this barbed wire is really gross.
not a good sign, but just climb, I guess. So awkward. Go on, say that. Fucking hell. Shit, almost just stacked it. Apparently security are hot on this one as well. You've got to be careful.
I don't remember being like this.
Probably grown since when you came.
Yeah, it's been like 2 months. Let's walk around. Because there's a sensor on that door, you see that white thing?
Oh yeah, I think I remember this on your video actually. God, it's stunt, isn't it?
Let's walk right round this way.
Yeah, alright.
You skip that and there's an armadillo on that side there.
Is that a window open or is it smashed? Doesn't that look open?
Which window?
One on the right.
Oh yeah. It doesn't look that.
It's quite cool where we are though, it's like a little pond.
So we go, how are we going to cut through and not get sent by that stuff? If we can, bro. This should be good.
Yeah, how are we doing this? People done this not long ago as well.
Yeah, someone cut the grass and thing.
And we've got to watch that house as well.
There's that armadillo. Oh, I see it.
Kind of on edgy, I don't know why.
You see that armadillo?
Yeah, I can see it. It's in black, innit? How are we doing this? What? Maybe straight up there? Because that sensor's pointing that way. Might better just walk straight at it and then maybe hug the wall.
It's gonna go off.
Look at that deer. Look at the deer.
Should we try and maybe win?
It could just be open. Maybe through there. Does that go straight through? Locked. Is that open?
It looks like it.
Go on, give it a go.
Right here. Oh no, that's where the sensor. Be careful.
She just scared me. That looks open as well. But so does this one. It's like, I don't know, if that can open, we can get in. It's like not the window, is it? It's like awkward.
No, it's not.
Do you want to try that one?
You have to get up there. It's so hard.
I don't think it's open.
I think we have to do it.
What, through there? Just keep your eye on the right as well. I think it's a bird. There's going to be a sensor on this wall, I reckon, as well. I reckon on the doors. Go on, you look at the arm, I'll look at the sensor on the wall. I reckon there could be one right there.
Come down. Come down like this.
Watch that wall as well. Look at us, bro. Just careful standing up.
No, it's locked. Wait, go down low. Do the arm.
Where are we going? I reckon it's all. I think it's all the way around.
Oh, it's past that bush.
No, I won't put that in. I can go back where we were.
We have to go back towards the gate. Oh, you tried that door? Nah.
Oh, this is a shit day to do this on a wet day. Ah, my fucking. I reckon all the way around.
It's back. It's there. No. Behind that wall.
No, but all the way around that way. Hey, by mate's house though. Have we checked this window? Go on, hold that and I'll jump and see if I can take this one. Just not put your feet on.
Yeah.
Literally
Just do the whole way around.
There's a sensor on that wall as well, Dan. Look, see that white thing on the gate?
Oh yeah. That's fine. We can climb over the gate.
Kind of there.
Right, just hug this as hard as you can. Chat like. Not chat.
Chat.
I think this guy there, he's getting wet to do. We can get in it undetected though.
Yeah, but that gate has a sensor. I don't know how we
Look,
get.
look, we can climb over it from behind.
Shit, yeah, good point. It's massive, isn't it? Look how massive it is.
I know.
It's like a proper old building, you can just tell.
Yeah, I'm so-
This could be water.
This is a pond. There's no sensor on this side. It's just that little point we did.
Might better just go on these, just firm these fingernails. I'm in joggers.
Nah, look.
Go on this.
Swamp, bro.
Just keep your hands up.
Hug behind the big bushes of that tree there.
He might be able to see us from his window. Is that part of this, or is that just random?
See what's going on. Right, hold it up there.
Hopefully it's not loud. What is that?
I don't know, something.
Is there nowhere to hug this? If we just go really slow, maybe. I can just go slow.
No, let's go see. As soon as we go past the street, boom, boom, boom.
Then what are we doing? Running? Running in?
How are we going to do this?
I'm not sure. If we set it off, we might as well just run up them stairs. It's the house is right there. That one there will be fine. It's the house. That's literally like an angry neighbour.
What do we do right here?
How bad can he be actually? He's only a
It's
guy.
really loud. Oh, the guy, he's panicking.
Oh.
It's in there.
Is it that white one there?
Yeah, is that door open? That black one looks open.
The black one, where are you looking?
Look. Right there. Look, that's open.
I have no clue where you're looking. What, that one?
Yeah.
That white
I
one?
think we should have to set this on.
I can go slow, and if it goes, I mean,
It's gonna go on. No.
you could just think it's a deer maybe or something.
If he goes on. Oh, wait.
Yeah. We go up. If it sets off, we'll run up them stairs. Because then it doesn't matter.
I have no idea. Go back. Let's go from behind it. There's no sense behind it.
How close is it?
Right there. Don't go any further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go all the way down and round, I reckon. Just watch out for more like little white sensors.
Oh my god, it's right there.
Thought you just set it off.
Huh?
Thought you just set it off.
Just hug this.
We're in the corner, to be fair. It's right there. You don't want to get seen. Oh, fuck.
You can go around in there and go through there. There's no sense.
Is that mate's house?
No.
Is that the care home? Okay, sick. Just watch for sensors at the front gate.
No, there's no sense here. Just some
Could be one like hugging the tree maybe or something. Just keep your eyes peeled. We don't want to do
security.
what this drive. Oh yeah, look, the fencing.
Where?
There.
Where? That fence?
No fencing. And that's the front of it. It's actually a sick building. You can tell it's good because we're like stressed and we don't want to get caught.
Wait, matey there? Is there a van there?
No. Is that a house?
Yeah.
Or back through these bushes maybe?
Yeah, so that we go.
Oh, is that his house? The angry guy's house?
Yeah.
Shit, we've got to be careful. Down through there. Go all the way around this way. None of these open. Almost just died. I've got almost like stand on this without. No. No, they're locked. What about here? Sit down. I think the bush cuts us off though. Ah, he's all off. Trim's fucked. Oh fuck me. You might just have to firm the armadillo. Okay, let me just see these. Wait, downward chiller. Just check these windows whilst we're here. Even if we get this open, there's nothing here. This window's open. No, it's not. Nah, nothing. If I go any more, then what's it called? Set the armadillo off. Walk slow and see. Get into this thing on the right. And then over this, Dan. This wall here, go around the back of it.
An armadillo there.
I reckon the armadillo's probably better than this, whatever this is. We might better hug this. There's an armadillo there. Just go slow. Literally just there. And the other armadillo's just there. Look at the old stairs. That's sick. No way we've done that. Don't know. There's stairs down there. Wonder if that goes in.
It's got to be that door.
What, the one in front of the sensor? Or that one? That one?
Keep really tight.
Literally nothing. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's it. I can get through and then unlock this door.
Or you get up there, try and put your hand down, grab it.
I don't know if I can actually, I might need that.
Hey, how have we gone undetected through this bit? Crazy. If it's silent though. Oh, I'll put you guys away for a minute, hold on. Wait, try and get your arm down and try and open it. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wait, don't hit your head though. Mate, what is this entrance? Oi, just get in. You have to get in. Johnny. You have to get in. Through there. Did you open it? I could do it. I see this coat.
I think that's doable though.
Yeah, so go through that door and catch the sensor. Because if we can get in there undetected, and once we leave, open a window, we can just set the alarm off and go.
Yeah, okay. Right, you ready?
There you go, Johnny's going for number 2 again.
This one opened, but it's not like...
Yeah, get that bit. You might have to put your feet forward first, but it's fucking hard. Alright, do you want to use this?
It's just so slippy. How do I do this the first time?
Put your forward foot there. Yo. Do you want a foot? Mate. Yo, you good? Yo, look at this kid.
That's nuts.
Watch out, that's gonna break. Careful. Oh, man. Yo, man. Thanks for JJH getting us through that gap.
Let me chuck this in my bag.
Undetected. Hopefully undetected. Imagine undetected.
And it's silent.
Apparently there's no alarms inside, so I think we're good.
I think we're sweet. You got my phone?
Yeah.
So I had to go through that and then unlock this window. So it's still a civil matter, which is class. It's literally been a mission. Stole my phone I don't mind the trip, but we're inside. I had to slide through that window and unlock that one. So hopefully this is straight in now.
What the fuck is that noise?
There still stinks in there. Imagine this is locked, I'll be fuming.
Look at that.
Whoa. All the stuff's still here. And it sounds like it's all running as well. 2 years? 3 years maybe?
Minimum moment.
I kind of need a torch. Get that out of my bag quick. Yeah, it does. So here we are, got like a little wheelchair. By the way, everyone said this was impossible to get in without setting their arms off. So I'm just kind of, there we go. It's kind of creepy now. Look at the photo still in. Apparently there's no sensors inside, but who knows? See, that's me. I think. Toilet. I wonder if they're starting to do stuff. I've got to do it.
Wait, he's still in there. He's got a fire.
1 sec. Right, we done it with the pins. We're gonna go in the main bit. Oh mate, this is sick. It's got power on, it's mad.
Oh, is this the stair lift? I think it works anyway.
The stair lift works. This is stunning. It's cool where they've kept the paintings. Yeah, it's the panel. Oh mate, this is sick. Yo. How does anyone know it doesn't work though?
I don't know.
Watch that armadillo at the front. So this is the main hall. The dining room, look. This is cool. So this was a care home. Oh, it's mad. Oh shit, yeah, look at the armadillo. Don't know why it's trying to do my sunlight. There's the armadillo. It's actually untouched, isn't it? This is like the one me and Luke done in like, I don't think you've ever done it, it's like my way. The one I did the Halloween vid for. That's what this reminds me of. I wonder why it's closed. What the fuck is that? Whoa, look at that. Do you reckon, I reckon they're worth a bit of money, they are, aren't they? They're worth, let us know in the comments. I think they're worth a bit.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Oh, the mould in it. Is it mould? I think it's just the walls being like stripped or something.
Nah, this not shit. I think that's the main bit, like this is the actual stairs.
These are all just empty rooms, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got in undetected though. Guildford, look at that.
Alright, it says
Nah, we're not in Guildford, we're like short of it. That's like the house we done the other day we tried to do.
oh yeah, it was moving.
More stuff. Hula hoop, yeah, there's a rubbish.
That's that door. Why is this light on?
Please remember to keep the door shut and put the door alarm on when not in use, as some of our residents risk going out unsupervised. What is that room for?
Storage or something.
It's like a fridge room, but it's not. My feet are probably doing footprint marks. Yeah, look at them. There's just squelching.
Just keep an eye on the front.
Yeah, just in case.
In case they do like random like
Patrols, maybe. Another empty room. We want to get to the good bits. These are all quite boring and just rooms. This is mad though. Make sure you give Urbex West 22 a little sub. He's trying to get to 1,000. Get him there. Yeah, I can't see it. I think it's too much of an old building to even have sensors inside.
yeah, no, we came on.
Just a fire alarm, I think. This is sick. God, that's the main entrance, isn't it? The grand stairs. Jesus. This is crazy.
This is a map of the floor.
Is that shit? What is that? Oh, imagine that works. What the fuck? Oh, it's a pine cone. Still got all the stuff in it. Wait, should I turn this on?
No, it's not working. It's not plugged in.
Is it a plug on that?
Yeah, we plugged it.
Hello, hello. This is the floor plan if anyone wants to know. Look at the crystals on it. Why is there crystals? Oh, it's in such a nice area as well. To be fair, there's not a bad shower, like a secret door.
This is like the west going to the centre there.
Shit, yeah, it's outside though, we're sweet. And scissors. Probably if it's got power. Give it a go. HDMI's out of it.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, mate. 2 years it's been abandoned, the TV's on. Wait, keep on. Shit, we've been fucking abandoned. Wait, turn it on a minute. Go on, give it a turn on. Wait, go on. Maybe it's haunted.
And there's some very specific things that this
Mate.
able to do. It's got to be able to.
Well, that is sick. Yeah. All these paintings. So do you reckon they're trying to get rid? There's like post-it notes everywhere.
Comment down below what you think these paintings are, how much they're worth.
I don't reckon. I reckon the frame's probably more than the painting. The frame looks sick. I reckon this building's worth like 3 mil, you know. Where we are and the like interior design on it. Oh god. Oh my fucking god. Oi, Dan, I done it. Oh no.
No, that does not look safe.
It does. I don't know, should we do it? Oh, I kinda wanna do it. Whoa. Dan, look at this, mate. All the keys. Shit, yeah. It's pointing that way though. That's what I mean. These probably have the doors. Yeah, sensor's not gonna get us. Honestly, look at what's the bottom of the door. These are all masks. Nah, this is mad. House points. You ever have house points in your primary?
Yeah, that for a blue care home.
Yeah, mate. This, imagine it's like a safe, man.
They're not safe.
Yeah. Probably all like Regent's files in there, you know.
They're files, but they're all empty.
This one's got stuff in.
Oh, that stinks. Oh no, it's manager's office. Manager.
And in here it's just all empty files. These have keys, which makes me think they're actually important. Empty. Just those empty like files. Yeah. All empty. Every single one. Shut them. That's loud. This is the room number 1. We got to look in room number 1. Oh yeah, I'll give it though. These rooms are quality. These rooms are decent.
Yeah, it's empty.
Like this is a big room. This would have been a lot of money to stay. Toilet's a bit small, but yeah, damn, these rooms are class, mate. These rooms are sick. Yeah, these rooms are decent compared to the one me and Harris done in Horsham. This is definitely a quality care home. Sad how it's closed. There's another TV, it probably works. It might have been number 1. Yeah, it's number 1 door. This is great, and we've got ages because security here, not know we're here. We done the right thing, I think, by not going straight for it. I mean, this is sick. Look at the chandelier on it. Mad. Well, I've got an idea. We'll call it up and see if it moves. If the TV works, I'm down to give it a go. Fine if it just drops, and then we'll be like. Oh, it locks. And then open. Oh, we gotta give it a go. Do it on the way down, we'll do it, come on. Oh, damn, we gotta do it.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Do it at the end. And the stair lift, I wonder if these work.
Yeah, it does.
Do not this one, do the one that's like the actual sit down one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy. It's like a big shower. It's a quality toilet actually. Massive. This has got to be like a shower room though.
Yeah.
Can't be
Sweet.
bathroom.
number?
Oh no, it's number 15.
Just turn it on.
Must waste so much money. And all these are a bit weird photos.
Wait, there's a basement garage. Oh my god.
They're worth money as well. And that works. I bet the water's on. I don't think the water's on.
There's no roof.
It is on. Sick bath. These are probably. Let us know in the comments how much these are actually. There's a board here, so they obviously are trying to keep care of it. Where?
It's at the bottom.
Oh, it's the same one we done. Yeah, that's what we had to dodge. Probably said about 300 times, but
Why is this door so heavy?
probably a fire exit maybe. Shit, look at all the. Why does it say fire exit on it when it's just not? I swear it's against the law, isn't it? Fire exit.
That is not a fire exit.
Does it even say it?
Yeah, it does. I think.
Look at these door frames. They're massive.
Yeah, heavy as well. More painters though.
The paintings are everywhere, but they're just really odd. Like, what even is that? Yeah, look, another fire door. Keep shut. It's just not. That's so risky.
Wait, there's a basement behind there. We've got to do that.
We'll have to do that. I want to take the lift down though. We've got to. We've actually got to. Toilet.
I don't think you would do that.
Like, we've got to. It's good enough to. It's not like it's a rundown place or anything. Or I'll do it, and then you can always call someone if we get stuck or something.
Office chair in the middle.
So it's not too.
Oh, yeah, we've done this floor now.
Yeah.
There's a third floor. Where's the third floor? How do you get up again?
Yeah, because there's a fire exit at the top.
How do you get up?
I'm taking the lift up. Oi, Dan. You don't have to do it if you want, but I've got to do the lift. It's mad risky, but I just feel like it'll work.
That's the church there.
Should I do the lift?
I don't know how to get up. I'm not taking it. I don't trust it.
Oh. Should we just stand in it?
Yeah, it's going to go down. Oh my god, I said that just went down. So you just stepped.
Which two? I'm moving. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. One. There's a ground floor, 1 and 2. I think we're on 1.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Fuck, I'm hella nervous. Mate, we're in a fucking abandoned lift. We're in an abandoned lift. And it's somehow working. Mate,
Second floor.
please no one do this at home. This is very
Doors
risky.
opening.
Oh my days. Hang on a minute, why was that hella smooth? That lift was brilliant. What's all of this? Oh, the lift was sick. Does it not work?
No, it's not.
Button or something? It's turning on.
Hold on. Hold on. It's on. Nah, it's not.
Nah, it's not working. Ah. Yeah.
Get this away.
Oh wait, and then the carer does it down. Watch out. I think it goes on and it holds it down. You've never... Have you ever been on a stair lift before? This is mad. It's kind of slow though, Jesus. Not got like a little speed mode on or something. Probably is. It's only stairs, so you'll be fine. This is the little drop bit here.
Wait, it's gonna hit the stairs.
Oh shit.
Mate.
This is actually sick.
It's
Mate.
gonna hit the stairs.
Go on, you gotta send me up. I wanna have a go on this as well.
Mate, what the fuck?
On a stair lift.
Oh, he's hitting the stairs. Really close.
This is a lot of money.
This is sick.
This is a lot of money. And it's 3 floors. That is mad. Kind of hurt my finger though. I gotta send me up.
Wait. What have you done? Oh no, you can just take it with you, mate.
Oh shit.
Right, good.
There's like 3 beeps to make sure no one's there. Oh, the basement as well. The creepy basement. Alright, send me up. I wanna have a little go. Mate, this is mad. I've never been on one either. And I don't know who would unless you're in a care home. This is crazy. I love how it's got power.
I think we've got the 3rd floor and the basement, and that's it.
It's weird I don't go all the way up though. But they must just take the lift.
Yeah.
Mate, this is sick. It's so close to here. Look at it. Alright, that's perfect. And just whack that off. Just put it on the chair or something, the thing.
Your bag's down there.
Shit, yeah, good point.
Should we do the basement first then? Or
Yeah, do basic.
So should we do 3rd floor first?
Go on then. No one's coming anyway.
No,
Which is sick.
That's it really, I'm done.
Yeah.
That
Literally.
creepy little basement. Looks like there's a load of stuff down there.
What, in the basement?
Yeah, paperwork.
Shit, yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Right, we're head up to the 3rd floor now.
That stair lift is cool. Oi, Dad, you gotta do the lift, mate.
Nah.
Do it. It's actually kind of good. Like, it's not scary at all. This floor is ugly as anything. Yeah, I ain't keen on this top bit. All these little... Is that a massage chair?
No, it's an ironing table.
Yeah, shit, just remember myself looks stupid, but... No one's here yet, anyway. I think these are all stripped, these drawers, yeah. Nothing in these drawers. Another toilet.
This one's pretty good.
It's a room. Yeah, it's a sick room.
That's the gardens.
Do you reckon it closed because of COVID? It's weird how it says COVID.
Maybe COVID.
Maybe it's earlier it closed then.
I think it was due to financial reasons as well. Microwave one?
I think it's not plugged in. Probably would work, it's got power.
This is not good, this floor.
No, this. Wonder if the thing has power. No, it doesn't. No power.
No, these are all just doors.
He's a bit knackered.
No, I think we should go straight basement.
Basement.
Yeah. I think it's this way, isn't it? Down the other stairs.
These link together. This is the way I went, and then right, and it's literally these stairs again. I mean, look at it. This is a mad place. I wonder if I actually found it. Actually, I'll put that back where it was. Basement, and then we are done.
So, what to like describe?
Good point. I haven't said it. Make sure you go down, like, subscribe, give Dan a little follow, a little like.
Oh my god.
See, if this is where I lived, it'd be stripped by now. Oh, we don't even need lights here.
What the hell is this? It goes really far back.
How many masks there? This has got to be COVID, Dan.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
That's a secret tunnel, mate.
Yeah, that's bricked off.
That's been bricked. The bottom bit's bricked. That's mad. I wonder what's behind it.
I don't know. I think it might be a tunnel to the church.
To be fair, it's not a bad idea. And in here, if anyone's curious, literally nothing apart from a generator.
So much stuff here.
Whoa. Yeah, this is mad.
It's really moss.
Look at the torch. We've got a new torch.
Oh, it's wet, it's flooded here.
I don't know how you turn it on, but we got a new torch. Fucking hell.
It didn't work.
I don't even know how you turn it on.
All the masks.
All the hand sanitizer, all the masks.
There's a fridge down there.
You know, this is actually probably worth a little bit of money as well. Plates, we've got some plates.
In the door here. Oh yeah, this is the door we tried.
That.
It's got a fridge like blocking it.
Should we move it? You can't be asked.
We'll go out the other way. We'll set the armadillos off the way on the way back so you guys can see what it's like.
Yeah, we'll show you how loud it is and how far you actually need to get to it if you're planning on coming here.
If you know where it is.
If you know where it is,
It's a secret.
it's proper secret, but also if you know where it is, just don't wreck it, mate. Don't be a knob. That's pretty much it.
Alright.
And I think we are done. So
Let's get out
we'll
here.
see you lot when we get outside.
I'll go through the back, through the bushes.
Let's just set that armadillo off though. Right, so we're dipping now. We're gonna go out this.
There we go. It's alarm, so loud.
Wait 1 minute.
Is this door?
I'm gonna film my phone as well. Go for it.
Alright. You ready?
Let's dip. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
That's us done though, bro. Yeah, we'll go this way. Set this one off. Is it locked? Oh, that sets that one off as well. Oh, right, they all go off.
Right, this cockful meat comes out.
Right. Let's get out of here. Right, thank you lot very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. There's the decaying behind us. What a stunning building. And yeah, go down, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.